Quick guide to clearing cache on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone feels a little sluggish or apps are acting weird, it might be time for a quick cleanup. So in this video, let me show you how to clear cache on your iPhone. Now, clearing cache from your browser and apps might sound super techy, but trust me, it's like giving your iPhone a mini spa day. You'll free up space and even give your phone a speed boost. Sounds good? Let's do it. To start with Safari, here's what you need to do. Open your Settings app, scroll down, and tap on Apps. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Scroll down, tap on Clear History and Website Data. This is your digital reset button. Your iPhone will ask if you're sure. Just go ahead and confirm. But hey, if you don't want to erase everything, maybe you want to keep your cookies and login info, you can just clear the cache instead. Here's how. Tap on Advanced. Then tap Website Data. Now you'll see a list of websites that have been quietly hoarding your data. Tap Edit if you want to delete specific sites one by one. Or if you're ready for full digital spring cleaning, tap Remove All Website Data. It's like wiping the slate clean. No dust, no drama. Now let's talk about apps. Some apps can eat up a ton of space, but you don't have to delete them completely. Instead, you can offload them. This removes the app but keeps all your data safe and sound. Here's what you can do. Go back to Settings, tap General, then tap on iPhone Storage. This is the control room where you'll see a list of all your apps and how much space they're hogging. Tap the app you want to deal with. Then tap Offload App. Don't worry, your data stays put, even if the app is gone for now in Offloading app. Confirm it, and boom, instant space saver. And that's it. Just a few taps and your iPhone is cleaner, faster, and ready to go. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.